are building an exciting project. It's the P3 project of the Southwest Calgary Ring Road. It's a connector road connecting the south portion of the ring road to the west portion of the ring road. It's a 31-kilometer stretch, 14 interchanges, 48 structures. It's about a $1.4 billion project. We've put together a strong project team led by Alan Gervais to make sure this job gets done, completed on time, on budget.
Certainly in the early stages of the project, one of the controversial parts of this alignment is that it crosses over the Elbow River in a sensitive natural area called the Weaselhead. It's a wetland and really close to where the river enters the Glenmore Reservoir, which is where a lot of Calgary gets its drinking water from. So naturally there was a lot of concern about environmental protection and the impact of changing the route of the channel to better serve the road and the structures surrounding it. One of the other unique things about this project is that the road alignment runs through areas that were formerly part of the Tsuut'ina Nation. And it has been a big part of why there's been an acceleration in the last few months in particular to meet the deadlines in terms of getting the road open for the developments they're doing around the utility corridors.
We are in the third year of a 5-year project. Currently we are at 275,000 ton of asphalt produced and laid on the job out of 1 million ton that the project requires. In 2019, we experienced acceleration on the project. There's a new project director in place for the consortium.
The construction contractor KGL added a significant amount of management resources and engineering resources, subgrade and earth moving resources, and then also added additional gravel placing resources, including Standard General that brought additional gravel crew.
The project is also being accelerated, knowing that the handover to the province and the P&I portion of the project has to be completed by October 2020.
It's been a very wet summer for Calgary. Hopefully, and traditionally, the weather in September, October is quite a bit drier. Hoping that continues, and we should be on pace to have the activity levels needed to have an excellent end of the year. There's still a lot of smaller detours and critical works to open up things like bridge abutments and piers and some of the underground utility work that are still make for challenging paving.
Our hopes going forward in 2020 is to maintain 3 paving crews on the project site daily to ensure this job gets done on time and on budget.
The big change this year is we've had a lot of mainline, high volume areas open up.
Our resources have been available, our plants have been running. Standard General has been at the ready whenever there's paving requirements for the job.